Hello and welcome back to Medical. Today have a look with Gengigel, the user side effects, benefits, interactions and contraindications of these medicines. I have a great look with in this video, friends. What is the Gengigel means? It contains the hyaluronic acid, particularly this gel for the mouth ulcers, mouth sores and who are having the bleeding gums and inflammation of tooth, friends. These type of problems can get relief from using Gengigel, friends. This is a major and this is the most patented medicine from the Resi Pharma. It is available around the world, friends. This is Gengigel. If you want means anywhere in the world you can get this. What are the major uses? Now I am going to tell you. It will heal the sores. That means small sores will come into your mouth and corner of the tooth, corner of your mouth, and then tooth having the bleeding gums. If you are just paste brushing means in the morning you will get severe bleeding. Why it happens means because of the loss of vitamin C, that is a deficiency of vitamin C. If happens frequently means you can also using the, if you are using means that gums get healthy and get healed. It will not produce any type of blood leakage, friends, from your gums. This is the major use of this. And then what is the another use means mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers nowadays are frequently happen with many patients. Why happen? Because of if their stomach is not good, not healthy, if they have stomach happening with any type of ulcers and any indigestion issue, this one stomach digestion problem happen means it will shows the occurrence in your mouth, friends. This type of problem, this concern will can easily cure by Gengigel. This is the restores the healthy gums and soothes the inflamed and traumatized oral tissues. This Gengigel contains the high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is obtained from the manufactured process, guaranteed the high level of purity, friends. This is a major uses. And then it will reduces the edema in the tooth inflammation, and this type of problems can easily reduce. And who are all having this type of problem, that means the tooth pain, they cannot able to eat and they cannot able to spicy items. If they happen means directly they can use this Gengigel, friends. Who are having the mouth ulcer, and even though some people's having the this type of means tongue issues, means if the tongue get inflamed and they cannot able to swallow, this type of problems may come. Directly you can this gel, friends, hyaluronic acid. Even if you swallowed also there is no issue, it will not cause any type of side effect, friends. Is the major use of this Gengigel. And what is the main indication means inflammatory condition, gingivitis, and then and causes the mouth ulcers, wound, and this type of problems can easily cure by using this. There is side effect means there is no need to worry about the side effect. This is made from natural only sodium hyaluronate. And you can how to use means you have to use 10 ml, apply into your mouth for keep for 1 hour, friends. You will get better relief, or else if you go before going bed you can apply and can sleep. You have to use at least twice a day, in the morning and evening, in the night before going bed. Also you are using means you will get better relief, and you can easily cure by using this type of problems. What are all the means sores, bleeding gums and gingivitis, and then mouth ulcers. This type of problems can easily heal using this Gengigel, friends. Is the major users, and this is comes with 20 ml package. It will available in the box package, friends. It contain the patient information leaflet also. You will get full information. If you have any type of this can available in OTC medication itself, you can get this pharmacy without prescription. This is the without prescription means normally OTC medication, that means the over the counter medication you will get anywhere in the world. Thank you, friends. This is a major uses and side effect I have discussed you. I'll come back with new video. Till follow and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting us. Thank you, friends.